crucial process of identifying the mechanism of injury is by analysing the crash site. The wreckage provides vital clues as to potential injuries even before we assess the patients. We first investigate telltale signs such as skid marks, road conditions, and what the vehicle collided with. Upon reaching a scene, we evaluate the wreckage and consider the occupants. The nature of the damage helps us predict how it may have affected the individuals. Typically, in a head-on collision, the driver braces themselves, often resulting in steering wheel deformation and arm, elbow and shoulder fractures. Similarly, slamming feet onto the brake can lead to injuries to the ankles, knees and pelvis. In a side impact, the damage usually occurs to the side of the chest, pelvis or middle femur. Rear passengers can often suffer head injuries from hitting the roof, sunroof or hatchback. We interpret all these signs while approaching the car, informing our treatment decision. We always have particular concern for neck, back and head injuries because of whiplash and the forward momentum of the body and internal organs during a collision. Other indicators we look for include windshield bullseyes, seatbelt usage and damage to seats and the dashboard. This doesn't only apply to cars. Wreckage from motorcycles and bikes can also provide crucial insights. Essentially, interpreting wreckage is like piecing together the pieces of a jigsaw to predict the damage to the patient.